Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did my daughter's nails for prom. So these are my daughter's nails. She is 13 and she's on her way to 8th grade prom. We decided to do a regular polished design. She's kind of a tomboy and doesn't like her nails done, so polish would be easier for her to take off. So right now I'm just pushing back her cuticles and I'm scraping away any of the dry cuticle dead skin on the nail plate. And now I'm just taking the shine away from her nails using this buffing block. And wiping away the dust with an alcohol wipe. Alright, so now I'm going in with the Opi Infinite Shine primer, and this is a base coat. And like I said, all of these polishes are regular polishes. So we're just going to apply a thin coat of this to each nail and allow it to dry. So next I'm going in with this Opi Infinite Shine color, and it's called Barking Up the Wrong Sequoia, and it is a beautiful peachy coral color and it goes perfectly with her dress. So I'm just going to apply a nice even coat of this to each nail, allowing it to dry and then applying a second coat. And the angle is kind of weird here. My setup is kind of only meant for me, so the way I had to hold her hand is kind of weird. So yeah, I did have to touch up some areas off camera, but you get the gist of it. So after that polish has dried, I'm going in with this Kokie glitter polish, and this color is called Celestial. And then I'm going in with this Essie chunkier glitter, and this is color 954. So first I'm going to start off with that Kokie glitter, and I'm applying that to a makeup sponge, and I'm just going to sponge on the glitter. And because we are kind of in an extreme rush, I didn't want to really go in with the padding and get it all over her finger, because then we had to take time getting it off and yada yada. So after dabbing the glitter on with the makeup sponge, I just went in with the polish so I could get closer to the cuticle and just put a layer of that on. So once that has dried, I go in with the Essie chunkier glitter and I apply that over the nail, and it just gives a beautiful shine and dimension to the glitter. So after letting that dry, I'm going in with the Opi Infinite Shine gloss, and this is a top coat. And like I said, all these polishes are regular polishes, so this is a regular top coat, and it's super shiny though. I really like it. So I just apply this to all of the nails and we let that dry. And for her bling nails, I just apply a generous amount of the top coat, and then I go in with some iridescent crystals, and these are available on my website. I'll leave a link down below. But this is strictly temporary. These are not going to last long, so if you do want your crystals to last long, use something like some nail glue or something like that. But because she's probably going to take these off the next day, you know, we didn't really care about it staying long term. So this is how her nails look after they have all dried. And now I'm going in with my Alpha number 6 gel brush, and this is the flat gel brush, and some acetone, and I'm just going around the cuticle area and the side walls and any other areas that I got polish on that we just want to clean up and make it nice and neat. All right, so after that, I'm going in with cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. Just a nice, simple, glittery design, and it was super quick because we were really in a rush. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. And this is my daughter. This is the dress that she wore. She just looks so adorable. And I also did her hair and makeup. She just looks so beautiful. And these are her friends. They had a wonderful time at prom. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will talk to you in my next one.